Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an overlay in Framer. So overlays are useful when you want extra content to appear after someone clicks or hovers over an element. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to open your project in Framer and select the element that will activate the overlay. So this can be any button or item on your page. And once the element is selected, go to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and scroll down until you see the Overlay section. Next, click the plus icon besides Overlays, and you will then need to choose between a relative or fixed overlay. And then select Relative when creating something like a dropdown or popover, and then choose Fix when you want to display a modal, toast, or video. So for this example, select Fix. After choosing the overlay type, set the action that will open it, and you can make that overlay appear when someone clicks the select element. And you can also switch the action to hover when you want it to appear as the cursor moves over the element. Then adjust how the overlay will appear on the screen. And you can also choose a preset, change the transition, or select an animation such as fading in and fading out. You can also update the fill and use the available graph controls to change the transition styles. And once the settings are ready, add the content that you want to display inside the overlay. So for this example, you can insert a text element, enter your message, and place it in the center or any other position that fits your design. And finally, click the preview button to test everything and click the element that you connected to the overlay. And the overlay should automatically appear. If you selected hover instead, move your cursor over the element to open it. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.